So I'm pretty much done now. Got my one stick of DDR3 RAM in there, 4GB. Got my fan on. All the cables nicely packed away along the sides. SATA cables, I/O, front I/O, and USB. All going down there. This one here is a 3-pin for fan at the side. Couple 2 hard drives in. Did a bit of cable tidying on the back. It's a bit messy down here, but it's a bit alright. Otherwise everything's tied back nicely. So yeah, so it's pretty much done that. Nice and clean. Got room for 3 more drives in this, and then I'll probably attach a NAS. It's pretty good.